What's up, my beautiful people? Good day. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing okay. All right, guys, so in today's video I am trying out this beautiful DIY hair mask that I saw this beautiful lady applying on her hair a few days ago. So although our hair textures are different, but I knew that my hair is going to love it, and so I'm going to be applying it on my hair in this video. I will see how my hair absorbs it, okay? But before then, let me introduce the ingredients of the day. So we are going to be using flaxseed, we're going to be using rice and fenugreek seed. Now let's take a look at the benefits of each of these ingredients. The first one is rice, okay? So rice contains amino acid, which helps to strengthen the roots of our hair and reduce breakage. It also contains vitamin E, which promotes healthy scalp and boosts shine. Rice is also rich in starch, which coats the hair and improves the overall texture and smoothness. Now fenugreek, okay? So fenugreek acts like a DHT blocker, reducing hair fall caused by hormonal issues. It also treats dandruff and combats fungal infections. So next is flaxseed. Now flaxseed is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, which helps to nourish the scalp and reduce dryness. It also contains vitamin B complex for faster and healthier hair growth. Also, its gel-like consistency locks in moisture and improves shine and softness, okay? So these are the only 3 ingredients that we'll be needing for this beautiful mask. Now we are going to be adding it in a pot because the next process is to boil it. So I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of my flax seed. All right, and the next one is our rice. Now I'm going to be adding 3 tablespoons of rice. All right, and just to make sure that the ingredients is enough for what I'm using it for my hair. All right, so then I'm going to add clean water. My own version of clean water is drinkable water, so then I'm using this sachet pure water. If you're in Nigerian, you already know this water. So I will then put it on the stove and boil it for at least 20 minutes or until it softens. You will know when it's ready. When the rice and the fenugreek softens, then you know that it is ready. Like as it is looking now, I know that it is ready. So the next thing I'm going to do is to off my stove and allow it to cool. Because I want it to cool down faster, I'm going to be putting it in a bowl of water just so it cools down faster, because I didn't want to blend it while it is hot in my blender. In my own opinion, or in my defense, I don't want to spoil my blender, right? Okay, so adding it to my blender now, I'm going to add water. All right, I'm going to add water to make the blending process easier for me. So guys, next time when I am making this hair mask, I will make sure that I add enough water during the cooking process and the blending process so that the final result will not come out too thick. So I'll keep on blending until it blends very well, or as much as it can, and then I'm going to proceed to sieving. This part is I don't have to tell you that this part is important, especially as you're looking at this mask like this. You cannot apply this on your hair like this. I mean, you have to sieve it and sieve it very, very well, okay? As I was sieving this particular one, I noticed that this my stockings has a hole. I didn't know initially. So as I was squeezing the mask, I noticed that it was pulling out, and then I had to change the mask. Okay, that's how important it is for you to sieve it and make sure that it sieves very well. Okay, so this is the point where I noticed that my stockings, or the cap that I was using to sieve, has a hole. Now I went ahead and transfer my mask into another sieve. This one is more better at sieving. I mean, it does a great job where you will not even see any particle. Like you're not going to catch any particle in your mask by the time you are done sieving it. All right, so like I said earlier, next time I'm going to add enough water so that it doesn't look so thick. However, it is nice. Like it came out super nice, and I would recommend that you try this. It is for all hair types, guys. Like this mask is for all hair types. Now the next thing I'm going to add is oil. right? When I'm going to make it again next time, I'm saying this so that if you're going to try it, you would, try and put these things I'm saying in place. Okay, next time I would love to, add honey to it, and like I said, make sure that it is not as thick as it is. But did it come out nice? Of course it came out nice, and you're going to see that in a moment. All right guys, so I'm going to now blend everything together, like mix until the oil and the max mix very well. Like, oh god, I don't know how mixing max like this used to just give me joy. It gives me so much joy, right? And I can just envision how it will look on my hair. All right guys, so I'll just keep on mixing, and here I am done, and this is what our mask looks like. Honestly, it looks so good and so smooth, and this mask is very beneficial for your hair. Like, as you are seeing it, that is how it has enough, like when I say enough slip, it has enough slip. All right, it is going to transform that dry hair of yours into smooth and well detangled hair. All right, so this is what the mask is looking like, and the next clip now is me applying it on my hair. So this is what my hair was looking like. I washed my hair like 2 days back, and it is super dry. When I say super dry, it is completely dry. Now, the lady I saw applying this mask on her hair texture is different from my own, like I said earlier, and it was easier for her. All she did was to comb through her hair, detangle her hair, and then proceed to applying the mask. And once she was done, she covered it, and there was no need for her to apply water or anything, right? But I have a thick fussy hair. I'm sure you're seeing it already, which means I have to apply water. Guys, please don't go ahead and apply this mask on a dry hair without applying water on it. I don't know, if you try, let me know what your results are, but I just know that it will penetrate better once you apply water to help soften and help the mask to absorb better. Okay, to absorb better. Guys, so I'll go ahead now and start applying it section by section. Another thing that I saw she did was the fact that she didn't actually section her hair. She just started applying the mask, and she was still able to coat all her hair strands. But someone like us with this kind of thick hair, this kind of hair texture, it is best to work on our hair section by section. Like, if you want to see maximum results and make sure that you are coating all your hair strands, then please apply the mask section by section. All right, make sure you are coating every strands of your hair, and the only way that you can be sure that you've done that is by working the mask in sections. All right guys, there's no hurry when you're taking care of your hair. I mean, you don't do that every single day, right? The times that you actually do, please try and do it with patience. Try and do it with love. I mean, there is no hurry. What I'm trying to say essentially is that you should just take your time. All right, there is no hurry, and don't take care of your hair, don't treat your hair, don't handle your hair when you are in a hurry. There's a spirit. I mean, let me not go spiritual, it's nothing spiritual actually, but there's a way you rough handle your hair if you're like in a hurry. You get, I don't know if I'm the only one that feels like that anyway. So, but I've noticed that anytime I'm handling my hair in a hurry, I just end up breaking things. Breaking what is not supposed to be broken in the first place. All right, so yeah, can you see what this mask is doing to my hair? Like, oh my god, I'm feeling super excited, you all. So look at how well my hair is absorbing the mask, right? Like, my hair is literally absorbing the mask. So once I am done with each section, what I did was to twist it and then put it in a bantu knot. This bantu knot has become my new method, especially when I put my hair in a twist. Like, it helps to stretch out the hair, but we are not going into details now. All right, so I proceed to the next section, and this is literally all I did for the entire hair. And guys, when I tell you that the end result was super amazing, like I would recommend that you try this hair mask. Now, how can you actually use this hair mask? You can use it as a pre-poo treatment where you apply it on your hair before you shampoo your hair. The next time I'm going to try it, I'm going to try it as a pre-poo treatment. I'm excited. That should be next month, I think. I don't know, maybe 3 weeks from now or so. I'm going to try it again and I will film it. So you can use it as a pre-poo treatment where you apply it on your hair and then you cover your hair, let it sit for a while, and then you proceed to shampooing your hair. Okay, that also works amazing. All right, like it works amazing. And don't worry, you are not going to be you're still going to be getting all the benefits. Just make sure that you're not using a harsh shampoo, right, to shampoo your hair. Okay, the people that will benefit from applying this treatment as a pre-poo treatment are people with low porosity. If you're sensitive to protein but you still want to, like, you know, put this protein on your hair, right, you can apply this as a pre-poo treatment where you apply it before you shampoo your hair. That way you are not going to be overwhelming your hair with too much protein. And I say this because rice contains protein. Fenugreek is also rich in protein, so yeah, you can imagine that. So guys, like, I'm super excited with the results of this DIY. Like, look at how beautiful the coils are. So, and when you wash it off, you also notice that your hair is smoother. All right guys, so I'll go ahead and apply the mask to the rest of my hair, and yeah, I'm going to be back. Okay, I hope that you're enjoying this video. Look, if you're enjoying this video and you've not given me a thumbs up, please kindly do so. Right, give me a thumbs up and, you know, subscribe to this channel if you want more videos, like more DIY videos such as this one. Okay, and if you want me to try any video out for you, let me know in the comment section. And if it's healthy for my hair, trust me, I am definitely going to be trying it. Okay. Now this is me showing you the before and after, like a close comparison between the one that I've already the side that I've already, you know, apply the mask on, and the side that I have not applied the mask on. Like, you could see how the difference, right? How this other part is looking like super dry while this other part is looking well and, you know, we're hydrated and, you know, we're taken care of. I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, this is me after I am done with all the mask. Like, guys, I was so excited. I was super happy that I tried this mask and the result was so amazing, and I am going to be trying it again, and I encourage you to try it and let me know what you think. Okay, let me know what you think, and if you've tried it before, can you let me know, you know, your outcome in the comment section. All right, so the next thing to do now is to cover it and let it sit for a while. Okay, you can choose to let it sit for 30 minutes, is all right, but on this very day I was so busy that when I washed it off, it was like 1 hour plus later. I don't recommend that you leave it for that long. Okay, all right, so here comes the end of today's video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content such as this one. And until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.